Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitchin with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody's having a great Thursday and a great week. Well, today as you can see we're going to be working on this Joy Sunday from PaintSomeWay. And it says, "May your luck be with you." I'm calling it Lucky Fish. So we're going to be working on the symbol. If you know what that says, you can pause it and screenshot it and then Google it if it makes any sense to anybody. I'm not sure if that's what that symbol says or not. We're working with 310 black and we started with the top symbol here. And let me pull you in so you can see what is going on. Oh my goodness. I am telling you. I am glad it is my Thursday. Because, yeah, I'm tired this week. Just kind of tired. It's been kind of slow. You know, I mean, it had its busy moments. But, yeah. Once you get past, like, 6 or 7 o'clock, and it's just, like, totally quiet. So, yeah. So when I got home last night, I was just absolutely fried. Yesterday, I worked, not yesterday, try again. The day before yesterday, I worked a little bit on the silk dragon. So I maybe put an hour in, yeah. It was in the morning, and no, I couldn't do any more. So I really feel like I haven't sat down and stitched. What is the problem here, Laura? Find the hole. Find the hole. It's not difficult. It's not a hard stitch here. I'm telling you. So sorry to disappoint, but summer is like this, you know. I'm just too tired to even think about it and do any long-term stitching on Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. So I usually get home and I'm fried from just sitting there, basically. You know, of course I do my stuff, you know, and everything, but still, it's just not a whole lot to... I've got to turn this, guys. Not a whole lot. And it's quiet, so, you know, I kind of like the quiet. It's kind of a nice, refreshing change from it being just flat out busy. So I think somewhere we're losing the kids to school, you know, that have started in different places, and people that would come up during the week and maybe perhaps take their vacations. But, yeah. So far, that's been happening like the past couple of weeks. So, yeah. So we just kind of go with it and see how it goes. We got the order, of course, yesterday, and it took us an hour. So she said some of the stuff didn't show up. Why am I doing this backwards here? Oh my goodness, Laura. Well, I got it up there, but it's not quite where I wanted it to be. There we go. So, I have no idea what I'm going to be working on this weekend, or my 4 days. Not a clue. I'd kind of like to keep working on the silk dragon. I'm making some progress. I wouldn't say I'm making a whole heck of a lot of... Seriously. You know, heck of a lot of progress, but it's getting there. It's getting there. One moment at a time. Like Jill said, you just cannot rush that silk stuff. No matter if it's 11 count, 14 count, 20 count, you know, it just does not, for me at least, does not go fast at all. I thought this would be an easy thing to stitch today, but evidently it's upside down, inside out, upside down. Yeah. Oh my goodness. So we'll see. I may just go take a nap today for sure, but try to sleep in over the next few days. What was it? Was it Wednesday morning? I didn't get up until 9:30. I was just done. Of course, I didn't probably fall asleep until 3 o'clock in the morning for some reason. You know, you get in there and then your brain starts moving. So that is how that works with me. Oh, I got my little Lotus needle minder over here. And I finally ran out of small needles that I had in my pin cushion, so I had to get the ones out of this kit. So it's fine. I do have all my 28 and 26 needles, but didn't feel like looking for them today. Just seemed like far too much to go do. This is really nice 310. It's nice and soft, and it seems to be having good coverage, so that's a good thing. Every once in a while I'll get some thinner, it's what I like to call it, thinner 310 on some of the different kits, but this seems to be covering all the white, or the purple, as you will. Maybe it's just not showing up because the symbol is purple, so the truth will come out when you wash this. But we're a long ways from washing anything. I was looking for the koi in the koi pond, but I came across this and went, okay. I have no idea where it's at and what kind of a package it's in, shall we say. If it's still in its plastic package from whoever I got it from, I can't even remember at this time. I think it was Biggest Craft. Or if, I know it's not a Joy Sunday. Or if I put it, you know, in a bag. So, not a clue. Not a clue. Sometimes you just gotta hit the easy button, and if something presents itself, just work with it. Yep. For sure. So hopefully we'll get some stuff in the mail. I'm telling you, it just feels like it's been forever since I got mail. I think that was maybe Monday. I don't know. Maybe it was Tuesday. Heck, I can't remember. It's just been a weird week. You're so used to going... I gotta turn again. Sorry, people. It's been busy, and then it was dead. And then it was busy, and then it was dead. So, I got nothing. And the stuff from AliExpress, your guess is as good as mine as to when that stuff will show up. I ordered it on the 2nd, and I still haven't gotten it, but that's nothing new for Joy Sunday. Joy Sunday. Oh my goodness, here we are. AliExpress, because it seems like it takes a month for it to get here from AliExpress. Some of them say they're going to be here on the 17th. Some say that it's the 18th. Some say the 25th. It's like, okay, people, make up your mind. So, fun times. Sorry, reaching. Gotta get my little scissors. Put that over there, so we might use it again. I guess I've been starting a lot of 14 count things. So, guess that's where all the needles go. And not every time do I take the needles out of that come with the kit. Kind of keep them with it in case I'm someplace and I accidentally lose the needle. And yeah, because that's happened. But that way at least I have spares, so try not to break into them, you know, too much. And I'll use a 26 if I have to, but I used that 28 the other day and I couldn't hardly keep a hold of it. My hands are kind of dry. Yeah, I still haven't used the hand lotion. What can I say? But it just seemed very small when I was using it. I usually use them on 28 count or 16 count Ada. Sometimes I'll use the 26s on my 11 counts and save the 28s for the 14 counts in your Ada. But who knows? I don't know why I was having such a hard time the other day. Holy cow, you'd think I'd never stitched before the way it was going. So that's why I got the ones out of the kit. So what's everybody else working on? You trying to finish something for the summer, for the fall? For any other reason? I think in September we'll start the autumn section of that. I think it's 4 Seasons by Joy Sunday. So we'll have each one of them started. I haven't worked on it, God, in a month at least. Seems like it. But I really like that one. It's in my it's in my bag that I got from Jill, that I have the ones I really, really like. They keep getting, what do you call it? I change them out every once in a while. Okay, I gotta turn again. And stay in frame, Laura. Gee, Manetly. I don't think I'll have anything done by Christmas, so that won't be happening. There, in my brain, I don't remember anything that I'd like to finish for Christmas that I probably would have started in July, but I can start it or work on it at any point. That's just not how things happen around here. And I have no idea what happened to the, I'll have to go looking, for that stained glass pumpkin I was working on last year at Halloween-ish, October time. Yeah. I don't have too many Halloween things. I think that's about it. Might have a couple, what do you call it, like pumpkins. So it's more autumn than anything else. I have a stained glass pumpkin. I have no idea where it's at. I really like that one with all the blues and the oranges. Ugh, gorgeous. So I might have to drag that out in fall. But who knows? Turning again. Because as you well know, if you've been with me enough, you know I can't go in a weird direction or it just absolutely kills my hands. Seems like a big long string. Maybe because we're moving here and there. Shoot. Dagnabbit. Now I'm stitching wrong. Hang on. Gotta go through there. Now we got it. One stitch is not going to matter. But those are the only two that really come to mind about autumn. Maybe y'all can remember, but I can't, not much. Except for 4 seasons, so that covers autumn too. So there's 3. If I can get 4, we can do autumn things in October. But it'll probably be snowing by then, the way the weather is around here. But yeah, I'll have to go really hunt for that pumpkin. I don't think it has its own bag. And I can't remember for the life of me who I got it from. Either one of the pumpkins. So I'll have to go searching for them. I think September would be a little early for pumpkins. Let's go back up here. This is a nice, easy stitch. There's some back stitching, but it's not much. You got to go around the fish and a little bit around those red balls. Some down here in the lily pads and the leaves. Okay, so I guess there's some back stitching, but I don't know. It'll be fine. We're not there yet. We don't have to worry, right? But it is nice and easy to stitch on. You can see all the symbols. I don't think it has I don't have the thing out. It's got 42 colors in it. Go figure. So there'll be some confetti here and there. There was some up there in those red balls. Somebody told me, but, you know, it went right out my brain. So, they look like cherries, but they're not. Somebody called it something specific. Can't remember what it was. But it's going to be pretty when it's done. I really like it. I have no idea what we're going to be working on Saturday for the oldies. But I'm sure, you know, in my little repertoire I got going here, I can find something that's definitely old. So, all right. If I can just get it up there. Let me turn it around so it's right side up. So we almost got that all done. So I'll continue. I got some black thread out here, so I'll just try to finish those symbols there. Alright guys, well thank you for joining me today. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe. Stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye. Keep stitching.